Now the other thing I'm going to do is I've got a good metal blade on my Sawzall. I'm going to cut very, very carefully, but also I've got my metal file as well. So if there's any rough edges or anything else left when I'm done, I'll just take those off. I'll take any burrs or any metal edges off. So nice and easy, super simple. So I'm going to cut these pipes and I'll show you when they're done. All right, so I've made both cuts. So as you can see, the muffler is now loose and it's going to swing a little bit. So just be aware of that because it's on the two hangers here on either end, as you can't see as I try to point it with the camera. So both cuts are done. So we've got a little bit of gap here now, as you can see, which is great. Both cuts were nice and clean and even, which is fantastic. So that's okay that your muffler swings a little bit. The hangers on either end, it's on rubber hangers, so that's not gonna hurt anything. So now I'm gonna slide up the body all the way to the other end and take out the 13mm bolts that secure your midpipe at the far end. And then we're gonna work our way back down the body, taking all of those, the hangers and locking plates that cross it, or the support plates across it that hold it into place. So let's roll down to the other end and I'll take the 13mm out. Okay, so here we are all the way on the motor side. As you can see, there's those 13mm. You don't need to take the Torx out. There are two 13mm nuts securing each end of these pipes. So we're going to take all four of those out. Then we're going to work our way back down the body and take out the support braces and hangers. And I'll show those next. And then we'll drop the whole pipes. Now, the one thing you're going to probably want to have handy is as these pipes come loose, at some point you're going to hit a point where you're going to have to support them a little bit. So I'm going to use jack stands. If you have a transmission jack, or if your car's higher in the air, you can use a transmission jack or something similar to support the pipes as they come loose. But you won't have to do that for these four. So I'm going to take these four, then I'm going to work my way down the body.